Yes. Today topic is limiting reagent. See here, hydrogen reaction with oxygen and forming water. This is the one statement. The statement are written in the form of symbolic representation, that is only chemical equation. That is only chemical equation. This chemical equation is unbalanced. Unbalanced. Not balanced. What is it balancing means? In the product and reactant, same type of atoms, the same quantity should be present. Two hydrogens, fine. Two oxygen, one oxygen is there. So it is not balanced. Not balanced. So we have to balance it. How to balance? Just trial and error method you can do. See, we have two methods, but the main method we will learn in the redox reaction chapter is there. Okay, till the time the simple reactions are there. Trial and error method. So here two oxygens are there. What can I do? We should not keep here two, because if I write like this, it is not water. It is hydrogen peroxide. Okay, we should not write anything in the superscript or subscript. We have only one option. We can write in front of this molecule. In front of this molecule, that is called stoichiometric coefficients. Here x, y, z. These position, x, y, z position, you can write whatever the number until it will be balanced. Okay, so I am taking here Z. See here, one oxygen is there, two oxygens are there. That's why I am taking here 2. Z, in place of Z I am taking 2. Two oxygens, two oxygen. Perfect. Hydrogens, four hydrogens are there, but here only 2 hydrogens are there. That's why I am taking here 2. What about Y? Nothing is there means 1. So I am writing balancing equation here. 2H2 plus O2 is given as 2H2O. This is the balanced chemical equation. This much understood everyone? It is balanced now. Yes, this balancing equation understood everyone? Response. Only one student understood. Okay, right. Now, from this balancing equation, what we will get to know? See here, 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of oxygen, forming 2 moles of water. Okay, this is the giving information about 2 mole hydrogen react with 1 mole oxygen, forming 2 mole water. It is one information. The second information is 2 moles means how many grams? 4 grams. 4 gram of hydrogen react with 32 gram oxygen. 32 gram oxygen forming 36 gram water. It is one more information. The balancing equation ka advantage is this. Okay, and one more information. It is the gas. It is the gas. So we know that at room temperature these are gases. Okay. The water also forming as a vapor. Okay. Then take a suppose liquid is forming. Liquid is forming. Right. 2 moles gas means how many liters at STP? 44.8 liter of hydrogen react with 22.4 liter oxygen. 22.4 liter oxygen. If it is given gas, we can write 44.8. If there is no gas, so the balancing equation is giving so much information. 2 moles hydrogen react with 1 mole oxygen. 4 gram hydrogen reacted with 32 gram of oxygen. 44.8 liter of oxygen react with 22.4 liter of 4 liter of oxygen, forming water. How many ml? So water is generally 1 ml equal to 1 gram. 1 ml equal to 1 gram. 36 gram is there means 36 ml. 36 ml. It is not liter even. Just 36 ml because it is a liquid. Suppose if it is gas is there, then 44.8 you can write. It depends on the state. Gas hai to 44.8, liquid hai to 36. Okay, this is the information. Everyone, you understood from the balancing equation what information we will get it. Every time they don't give these many grams reacting with this. Okay, so from the balancing equation only we have to understand, right? So now the question is, once you take screenshot better. Now I am writing here question, that is 10 gram hydrogen react with 32 gram of oxygen. React with 32 gram of oxygen. 32 gram of oxygen. Forming dash grams of water. Dash grams of water. Viraj, why it's too late? Okay, write the question. This is the question. What is that question? 10 gram hydrogen react with 32 gram of oxygen, forming how much water? 4 gram hydrogen react with 32 gram. Right? Here 10 gram is there. Okay. If 10 gram is there means to form that water, oxygen also required more. Oxygen also required more. 32 oxygen is there means hydrogen required 4. 32 oxygen is there means hydrogen required 4. When 32 grams oxygen is given here, how much hydrogen required? Before that, see, in my hand one marker is there. Okay, this is cap, this is a marker. A company and B company. This B company preparing per day 100 markers. A company preparing only 10 caps. Only 10 caps. 10, 100. Now you tell me one perfect marker. How many you can make it? Only 10. Sir, yeah, I am preparing this 100. Is there any effect? No. Okay. So 100. This is 10. So finally, the perfect marker will be depends on the smaller quantity. Okay. Now I see in my hand. One hand has 5 fingers. One hand has 5 fingers. Okay, I have 15 fingers. How many hands I can make? I have 15 fingers. 1 5. How many hands I can make? Yes, reply fast. Only 3 hands, not 5. Only 3. Only 3, because Each hand required 5 fingers. I have only 15. Right? This simple concept understood everyone? Now, in the water, for 32 gram of oxygen, 4 gram hydrogen required. 32 gram of oxygen, 4 gram hydrogen required. Now in the given question, how much oxygen is there? 32 gram. How much hydrogen required? Only 4 grams. ज़्यादा है तो क्या करना? That is excess. Okay, that is excess. So how many I can make it? So 32 gram oxygen react with 4 gram hydrogen, forming 36 gram water only. What is excess here? Hydrogen is excess. How much? 4 to left, 6 gram extra. 6 gram extra. 6 gram hydrogen excess. Excess. Total 36 plus 6, 42. देखो how much I am taking? 32 plus 10, 42. Of course, before the reaction, after the reaction, total mass will be 42. Are you getting? Total mass before the reaction, after the reaction is same. That is only law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass is telling that before the reaction, after the reaction, mass will be same. Okay, same. But water is not 42 grams. Okay, mass to 42 ठीक है. पूरा 42 it is not water. Out of 42, 36 is water. 6 grams still hydrogen is there. Still hydrogen is there. हाँ अभी कुछ ऑक्सीजन दे दे तो then some more water will be forming. Understood everyone now? Why 36 answer? See, in this question, what is the limiting reagent? 32 gram hydrogen. Say here it is given 32 gram. Here it is given 10 gram. What it is the given values. It is the given values. Actually, fixed values. What is that? Fixed values. Fixed values are 4 gram. This one is 32 gram. These are the fixed values. These are the given values. Okay, fixed values we have to write our own. Given value obviously in the question. Right. So 32 is there, 4 required. 32 is there, 4 only required. It is excess. 4 is compulsory. Extra is there means obviously it is excess. Excess means which is the limited. This one is the limited. This one is the limited. The final product depends on the quantity of oxygen here. Which is less. Less means don't see, sir, 10 is less. Not like that. Not like that. The ratio you have to see. What is the ratio here? 1:8 ratio में चाहिए water. What is 1:8 ratio? 1 gram of hydrogen है तो 8 gram of oxygen required. 1:8 ratio. The hydrogen and oxygen will be there in the water. Okay? In this ratio, if it is there, it's fine. और ratio से कम है तो that is limiting reagent. According to this, ये 10 gram है तो it should be 80 gram. If 10 gram is there means 80 gram required. क्योंकि 1:8 ratio. 80 gram required. 80 तो नहीं है. Less is there. So that's why it is known as limiting reagent. It is also known as limiting reagent. LR. Limiting reagent. Our topic is limiting reagent. Limiting reagent. Which is limited. That is limiting reagent. Limited word is correct, suitable word. You cannot say less amount. Less amount means again you will confuse. Sir, the 32 to 10 less amount here. No. Limited one. Limited one. Okay? Your oxygen is limited one. Then cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. What is that? See, 36 gram is forming here. When 32 is there. See, which is excess? Excess का भूल जाओ. Remaining you take only 2. When 32 is there, 36 is forming. अभी भी 32 है. How much is forming? Obviously 36. x, then x equal to 36 into 32 upon 32. 32 get cancel. Answer is 36. Are you getting? Last one more time I will tell you. First you have to write balancing equation. Then you have to write fixed amount according to the balancing equation. Then given. Then you have to identify which is the limited. Which is the limited. According to this 4 है तो 32. ये 1 है तो 8. 10 है तो 80. 80 तो नहीं है. Limited है. Limited है तो product depends on limited one. ये excess का भूल जाओगे. When 32 is there, 36. अभी भी 32 है, अभी भी 36 बनेगा. Here 2 gram hydrogen react with 2 gram hydrogen react with 64 gram of oxygen forming dash gram of water. This question now you have to solve. Say once again I will solve this question. Fixed to already given 4 and 32. Next given values I am writing here. Given values. What is given? Hydrogen given 2 grams. Oxygen given 64 grams. Right? Whenever 4 is there, 32. Whenever 2 is there, 16 enough. Whenever 4 is there, 32. Whenever 2 is there, इसमें आधा. इसमें भी आधा होगा. So from this, how much required? Only 16 gram will react. Only 16 gram will react. 2 plus 16, how much? It will be 18. This is one method, direct method. Now cross multiplication method if you want to do. Okay, no problem. Then the product, I don't know, that is x. The product is x. Now first you have to identify what is the limiting reagent. Limiting reagent will be, देखो 4 है तो 32, 64 है तो कितना चाहिए? Minimum 8 होना चाहिए. Double है ना? ये भी double. It should be 8. 8 तो नहीं है. So this is limiting reagent. Limiting reagent. First you identify the limiting reagent. Once you identified limiting reagent, excess one no need to take. भूल जाओ इसको. 64 दिया है, 100 दिया है, whatever, no need. Now 4 is there means 36. When 2 is there, how much? Cross multiplication. इसके लिए तो भूल जाओ 32 के लिए. Now x equal to cross multiplication 2 into 36 upon 4. 2 1 are 2, 2 to the, that means 80. 36 by 2, 80. Shravan, okay. Prabhanjan, understood everyone? Puran, got it? Yes, right. Okay, no problem, beta. Replay given, that is most important. Right, now similar question again. I am changing here. Same quantity I am going to give you. This is also 8 gram. This is also 8 gram. Both are 8 grams. Okay, do it now. Perfect. Yes, everyone you understood, I think now. So hydrogen के नीचे 8, ऑक्सीजन के नीचे 8. देख के तो पता चल रहा है डबल है लेकिन इतना कम है, मतलब लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट इज दिस वन. Once you decided it is a limiting reagent, then cross multiplication. 32 is there, 36, then 8 is there, how much? So 9. Everyone understood now? Clear? Shall I change the question? Yes. Carbon reaction with oxygen forming carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. So balance the equation first of all. It is already balanced. Okay, it is balanced. Balanced. Okay. Now carbon atomic mass 12. These are the fixed values first of all. From the balancing equation you can write 12 gram of carbon reacting with 32 gram of oxygen forming 44 grams of carbon dioxide. ये क्वेश्चन में देने की जरूरत नहीं है, we have to write it. Right. Now I am giving question now. Right. I am giving these values. 32 gram carbon reacts with 12 gram oxygen forming dash grams of carbon dioxide. Yes, fixed value already given. What you will do, you write here given values, then identify the limiting reagent, do the cross multiplication. ठीक है, कार्बन हाउ मच है गिवन यू 32 है गिवन यू, ऑक्सीजन है गिवन ओनली 12. देखो आफ्टर राइटिंग इमीडिएटली यू विल गेट टू नो ऑक्सीजन इज लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट. Oxygen, see 12 say 32 increased but here decreased. Okay, so simply it is the limiting reagent, right? When 32 is there 44, when 12 is there how much, don't know, x, then x equal 12 into 44 upon 32, 2 6 260, then fourth table 4 4 the 4 11, 66 by 4 4 16 the 64 होता है, 16.5. Excellent. Okay, understood now? Okay, one more question. Now instead of 32 grams I will give you here 60 gram. Instead of 12 grams I will give you 320 grams. Okay, 320 grams. Now you calculate. Sorry, 210. Okay, I'm waiting for your replies. This one 320, 10 times. ये तो 10 टाइम इंक्रीज हो गया, मतलब here also 10 times required. That means 120 required, but not given. So this one is the limiting reagent, LR. Limiting reagent is carbon here. When 12 is there, it is forming 44. When 60 is there, how much? X. Then X equal cross multiplication. 60 into 44 upon 12. 2 6 2 22 2 3 2 11, then 3 2 the 20 into 11 220. Okay, still everyone you understood, but you are taking more time. इतना तो जरूरत नहीं है. Directly you can do, no? Do it fast. Okay, now I will change the question. (28 gram nitrogen reacts with react with 28 gram hydrogen, forming dash grams of NH3, forming dash grams of NH3. Okay, I will write balancing equation. I will write remaining thing you have to do. Nitrogen plus 3 moles hydrogen is gives rise to 2 moles NH3. It is a balanced equation. You can count 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen, 6 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen. It's a balance. Okay. Will you do or see one more step also I will write. Fixed also I will write. From the balancing equation, fixed. What is that fixed here? Nitrogen molecular mass 28. Yes. Hydrogen molecular mass 2. 2 into 3, 6. 28 gram nitrogen react with 6 gram of hydrogen, forming 34 gram of NH3. Bas. Now you have to do. Remaining thing you have to do. $34. Wow, fast replay. Yes, because here that 28 is there means obviously. Okay, very good, fast. At least you identified that. Okay, I am writing here given values. Given, what is that given here? 28, then here also 28. 28, 28. In 28 is how much hydrogen required? Only 6. So this is the excess. This is excess means it is a limiting reagent. When 28 is there 34, abhi bhi 28, so 34 only. Right? Now here I will change this quantity. Seven gram nitrogen react with 10 gram hydrogen. Now you do it. 7 gram nitrogen react with 10 gram hydrogen. Yes, Arya, Deepak, Aditi, Prabhanjan. Very good, very good, very good. Right. 8.5. Okay, 8.5. नाइट्रोजन के नीचे 7 ग्राम, हाइड्रोजन के नीचे 10 ग्राम. See how many times? 4 times required. ठीक है, 4 times is there. 28 is 1 by 4. Here also, okay, 6 gram is there. See, 1 by 4th required. See here, 28 में 7 means 1 by 4th given. So here 1 by 4th required. 6 से भी जा रहा है, मतलब सीधा देख के बता सकते हैं it is excess. It is excess means what? This one is a limiting reagent. ये दोनों में एक पता है तो दूसरा automatically you will get to know. Excess means limiting reagent. Always the product is depends on limiting reagent. When 28 is there, 34. When 7 is there, how much? X. X cross multiplication. Therefore, x equal how much? 8.5. X equal 8.5. Understood clearly? Okay. Now, सेम क्वेश्चन थोड़ा चेंज करता हूँ, बट अभी तक ग्राम्स में कैलकुलेट किया. नाउ वॉल्यूम में, ठीक है. सो 11.2 liter 11.2 liter nitrogen react with 22.4 liter hydrogen, then forming dash liters of ammonia at STP. Now see the fixed one point I will write here. What is the fixed here? Volume पूछ रहे, that's why volume, in the form of volume I will write here 1 mole of nitrogen react with 3 moles of hydrogen forming 2 moles of ammonia. That means 22.4 liter nitrogen react with into 3. That means 2, 6, 7, 67.2 liter hydrogen and forming 44.8 liter ammonia. This is the fixed value. Okay. Now you write here given. Then tell me the answer. Okay, mixed response is there. So I will try. Given values, nitrogen how much I given you? 11.2 I given you. Hydrogen 22.4 I given you. When 22 is there, 67, 3 times required, 3 times. When 11 is there, 3 times required. That means कम से कम 33 तो होना चाहिए, है ना? 22 है तो 67. How many times? 3 times. When 11.2 is there, 3 times required. लेकिन तो है नहीं. So this one is the limiting reagent. 3 times 34.2 होना चाहिए required. This is the required, but that much not there. That much not there means what? That is the limited. Okay, limiting reagent हो गया. इसके बाद cross multiplication. When 67 is there, it is forming only 44. When 22.4 is there, how much it is forming? Maybe x. Then x equals 44.8 into 22.4 upon 67.2. In this table, 21 1 it is a 3 then 3 1 1 4 means 14 12 28 approximately 9 14.9 something. Okay, 14.9, not at all 11.2, not at all 22.4. It is 14.9. Maybe if you do accurate 0.1 उधर हो सकता है. Simple. गलत हो गए तो भी इसमें होना चाहिए, बस concept तो same है. Cross multiplication only. 22 is there means 67 required. हमारे पास 11 है, 3 times more. That means 33 तो required है. It's not there 33. Given only 22. मतलब limited. बस once you finding limiting reagent, then cross multiplication. When 67 is there, 44. When 22 is there, how much? 14.9. Got it? No. Understood? Not understood. Not understood. This first step is clear. When 22.4 is there, it is 67.2. It is forming 44.8. First step is clear. Now I given value I written here. This much also clear. Second one. Okay. Now where you are confusing, which is the limiting reagent? That is only confusion. Yes. See. Here 22 is there means 67 required. How many times more required? 3 times more required. Here whatever x is there. Okay, the x here x है तो इधर कितना चाहिए? 3x चाहिए. 11 is there into 3. मतलब average 33 and something required. उतना तो नहीं ना. Only 22 is given. So it is the limiting reagent. Just identify the limiting reagent. That's enough. Okay. Once you decided limiting reagent, then cross multiplication, whatever we did in the previous questions. Okay. Still one more method is there. Still, if you want, do one thing. 22.4 liter is there. Convert into moles. लेकिन नोज का मतलब ऐसा घुमाना है, बस इतना ही है. ठीक है. दूसरा भी बताता हूं मैं. क्या करना है? 11.2 convert into moles. I am converting into mole. How many moles it is? Half mole. 22.4 equal to 1 mole. Okay, 1.5. देखो, when 1 mole is there, 3 mole required. When half mole is there, 1.5 mole required. 1.5 तो नहीं है ना. 1 mole is nothing is there means 1 mole. When 1 mole is there, 3 mole required. 3 mole required. Half mole is there, 1.5 required, but 1 only is there. That's why it is limiting reagent. Okay, after this, 3 mole is there, 2 mole forming. When 1 mole is there, how much? 2 by 3 moles. After that, into 22.4. Okay, cross multiplication. That's only step will increase. That's only. Okay, you can do any one method. Okay, I will change it here. Now it is 5.6 liter. Now it is 22.4 liter. Now you do it. Nitrogen is only 5.6 liter. Hydrogen is 22.4 liter. Yes, Deepak understood. Now you have to do the question. 5.6 liter nitrogen, 22.4 liter hydrogen, then how much ammonia is forming? Let's check it. 11.2 is maximum, correct? Hoga. I will check it once. See, now given values you write it 5.6 and 22.4. When 22.4 is there, 67, that means 3 times required. 3 times. 5.6 is there, 3 times required. होगा maybe 16 होगा. उससे भी ज़्यादा है. Okay, so limiting कौन है? 5.6. It is excess. It is excess. मतलब it is a limiting reagent. Now 50% problem already solved. When 22.4 is there, 44.8. When 5.6 is there, how much? Cross multiplication. 11.2 is the answer. Got it? Now, yes, everyone sending right, good. Prabandhan 16.2 how? Once you check it better here. 3 times required. So here also 3 times required. Maximum कितना होगा? 16, 17 होगा. But here 22.4 is there. That means it is excess. Once it is confirmed as excess, so ये तो limiting reagent. Okay, limiting reagent. Then cross multiplication. 22.4, 44.8, and 5.6 is 11.8. Yes, right. Okay. Now volume हो गया, ग्राम में भी. Now what I will do, I will give in the grams. Okay, I will ask you in the volume, right? That means 14 gram nitrogen react with 14 gram nitrogen react with 6 gram hydrogen forming dash volume of ammonia. I am not asking you here grams, I am asking you volume. Yes, calculate. Equation, balancing equation तो यही है. ठीक है. Here also one hint I will give you. Fixed value. What is the fixed? 28 gram nitrogen react with 6 gram hydrogen forming how much volume? Volume तो ग्राम में है तो 36 ग्राम. Sorry, how much? 34 grams. लीटर में है तो 2 moles. 2 moles मतलब 44.8 liters. 44.8 liters. Okay, you can take any. I'm asking liter, that's why you have to take 44.8 liter. Now, do the cross multiplication. Yes, 17 grams, 22.4 liter. Very good, double answer. Yes, beta, both answers correct. Shravan, very good. Deepak wants you to check it, beta. Calm mistake. Okay. See, this much time you are taking means still not clear the concept. Write it here down. Nitrogen के नीचे 14, hydrogen के नीचे 6 gram. देखो here half it became, but here same amount is there. मतलब सीधा without doing anything, you can decide it is a limiting reagent. Direct. Because 6 is there. 6 is 28, but we are not there 28. So limiting reagent. Now I am asking you volume. When 28 is there, 44.8. When 14 is there, how much? Do the cross multiplication. X. Then X equal 14 into 44.8 upon 28. 14 1 the 14 2 the 44.8 by 2, 22.4. Hardly 1 minute it will take. Only 1 minute, maximum 2 minutes. Still no one sending replies. Give reply at least. Understood or not? Understood the concept or not? Yes, understood. Okay. See, understood means you have to solve the question. By practicing many questions, that is only full clarity you will get it by practicing the questions. Okay. Now, I will give the volume. I will ask you in the gram. Okay. Right. I am giving here 22.4 liter nitrogen. Then 22.4 liter hydrogen dash gram of ammonia. Dash grams of ammonia. ये STP तो जरूरत नहीं. Here it will be at STP. At STP 22.4 liter nitrogen, 22.4 liter hydrogen. Say react forming ammonia. But how many grams it is? First you write the balancing equation, then you write fixed one, then you identify the limiting reagent. Fixed. Yoga 1 mole means 22.4 liter. 3 mole means 67.2 liter. Is there? It is forming 44.8 liter or 34 grams. We have 2 moles. 2 moles means 1 mole 17. 2 moles 34. Okay. हमको चाहिए अभी ग्राम में चाहिए. Right. You can do. 50% I am only giving hint here. Remaining 50%. Cross multiplication thing only you have to do. given you write it. What is given? 22.4 is given. Here also 22.4. सीधा देख के बता सकते हैं तो लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट है, क्योंकि 22 है तो 67 चाहिए, तो उतना है नहीं, तो इट इज लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट. Then cross multiplication. When 67 is there, 34. When 67 is there, 34. When 22.4 is there, how much? X. Then X equal to how much? 34 into 22.4 upon 67.2. 22 ones are 22 threes are. So 34 by 3. 34 by 3. 3 ones are 3. So 34. 3 ones are 3. Again 1. 11.3 something. How 17 you got it? It's not 17 beta. 11.3 grams. Cross multiplication only, where you are doing the mistake. Now everyone you tell me first, identify limiting reagent. You understood or not? Yes or no? Identifying limiting reagent. Here limiting reagent is hydrogen. You understood this much or not? Identifying limiting reagent. You be 22.4 है तो 67 चाहिए ना, 3 टाइम्स चाहिए. अभी भी हमारे पास 22.4 है, कितना चाहिए? 67 चाहिए, तो है नहीं ना. It's not there. Not there means less. Less means that is limited. Limiting reagent मतलब क्या है? Limited. Okay. See, 24 is there means 67 required. अभी भी हमारे पास 24 है, 22 है, कितना रिक्वायर्ड होता है? वही तो सेम होगा, 67 रिक्वायर्ड होगा, बट हमारे पास कितना है? Only 22.4. So limited. That is only limiting reagent. Always ऐसे चेक करना है. तो सेम रेशियो में तो है क्या नहीं है? सेम रेशियो में नहीं तो फिर which is less, that is only limiting reagent. Okay. After deciding limiting reagent, then cross multiplication. This one, this much, this one, how much? Okay. Understood, understood. Yes. So I will give one more question because you are not perfect. I understood. Okay. Then 67.2 liter nitrogen. Here also 67.2 liter nitrogen. Okay. Now you tell me. I given you in liter. I am asking you in the gram. What did it change? Yes. Simple logic. 34. Yes. 34. Direct question. Once you written here means तो हो गया तुम्हारा काम. नाइट्रोजन के नीचे राइट 67.2, here also 67.2. देखो 24 है तो 67 बहुत ज्यादा है, लेकिन here only 67. तो लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट कौन होता है? तो यही तो लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट. ओके. When 67 is there, 34. अभी भी हमारे पास 67 है, कितना होगा? तो 34. Okay. So it is now it's clear. फिर भी one more question I will give. Same equation. Volume I will change. Now 44.8. This one. Both are 44.8 liter. 44.8 liter. Both are 44.8. 44.8. Yes, tell me. ठीक है. Okay, once again I will do it. Same volume के नाइट्रोजन के नीचे नाइट्रोजन लिख दो. 44.8. Hydrogen के नीचे hydrogen, how much? 44.8. Right. When 22.4 is there, 3 times required. 3 times. ज़्यादा required है hydrogen, but no, only equal amount. 1:1 ratio is there. So which is the limited? This is the limiting reagent. है ना? 22.4 टाइम में 67 है तो डबल मतलब ये 120 के 130 होना चाहिए. Okay, limiting. Now when 67 is there, 34, when 44 is there, how much? Cross multiplication x, then x equal is do multiplication 44.8 into 34 upon 67.2, 22.4 table. 2s are 3s are. Okay, then 3 1s are 3 1 3 1.3, 11.3 into 2. Okay, 11.22.6. Okay, approximate 22.6, 22.4 तो चलेगा. हाँ, 22.66666. Yes. Okay, is it clear now concept? I will give 2-3 questions. You can take screenshot, then you send answers later. Okay? So today everyone, you should learn this limiting reagent concept. Okay? The next time I will explain just 1-2 examples only. I don't take this much time. I'm writing questions. Okay? 6 gram of carbon. 6 gram of carbon reacts with 16 gram of oxygen. 16 gram of oxygen forming dash grams of carbon dioxide and dash liters of carbon dioxide at STP. That to calculate grams as well as volume. Next, question number 2. 14 gram nitrogen reacts with 9 gram hydrogen. 14 gram nitrogen react with 9 gram hydrogen forming dash grams of NH3 dash liter of NH3 at STP. This one. कभी भी वॉल्यूम आ गया मतलब STP का कंपलसरी. Okay, then last one more question. "24 gram of carbon reacts with 8 gram of hydrogen. 8 gram of hydrogen forming dash grams of methane. CH4 methane, grams of methane as well, liters of methane, grams of methane, liters of methane. Okay, I will write this formula. Already I explained you these two things. Carbon dioxide to आ गया. C plus 2H2 is gives rise to CH4. It is a balancing equation. Okay, balancing equation I am giving in the bracket, but remaining